Hi, I'm Erin Clarke from wellplated.com, and today we are making my green curry in a hurry. This is going to take you on a trip to the east without ever having to purchase a plane ticket. It's fresh and vibrant, and you can use just about any vegetable that you have in your fridge. I have here my stem of kale, and you want to remove this kind of tough fibrous part, the stem here, and a really quick and easy way to do that is just to hold the stem in one end, leaves in the other, and then work out some inner aggression, give it a yank. Boom, that's it. And then from here, we're just gonna give our kale a really rough chop. You don't need to mince it finely because it's going to be cooked down with the other ingredients. Okay, let's add a little more green to our green curry with broccoli. Okay, lime, this is an essential ingredient in any curry recipe. It adds a nice pop of freshness at the very end. We're just gonna be juicing it, so I'm gonna cut it into wedges. And now I'm going to head over to the stove where the rest of our ingredients are waiting, and this whole recipe is gonna come together in one pot. I'm gonna start by heating some olive oil over medium-high. You want it to be a little bit shimmering, and that's when you know that it's ready. So we're gonna start this recipe off with our aromatics. We have our onion, minced fresh ginger, garlic. I can already smell it. All right, so our onion has just started to get translucent, and I can really smell the garlic and ginger, which means that it is time to add my not so secret ingredient, green curry paste. We're gonna add 5 whole tablespoons, which I know from an obsession with curry paste is almost this entire jar. Now, to really maximize the flavor of the curry, you wanna kind of toast it on the stove just for a few minutes with the other ingredients. All right, we are already getting some nice green color, and now I'm gonna add our next set of ingredients. This is light coconut milk. I just buy it in the can. If you wanna be extra decadent, you're welcome to add the full fat coconut milk, but for me, light does the job. Along with our coconut milk, we're going to add some veggies. I have sweet potatoes here. I also have our kale that we chopped. And now I'm going to add one of my other favorite ingredients. These are canned chickpeas. If you are not a fan of chickpeas, or if you want to take this recipe a different direction, you can always swap in chicken or tofu. Okay, our sweet potatoes and kale have been simmering for about 5 minutes, so they're nice and tender, which means it's time to add the broccoli. Okay, our broccoli has been cooking for about 3 minutes. So it is tender, but it still has a little bit of chew to it, which is exactly what we want, and it's beautiful and bright green. So now I'm gonna turn down my heat a bit, and then I'm going to finish off my sauce. We're gonna start with coconut sugar. You can use brown sugar if you like. This is fish sauce. It's our final Thai ingredient, and you only need 1 tablespoon in the whole dish. Okay. Got our lime juice in. Now at this point, you could serve the curry as is, but I have one little trick that I like to do that makes it extra super creamy, and that is to add Greek yogurt. Let the curry rest for about 3 minutes. It will still be plenty warm when you serve it, and then once it's cooled off a bit, then you can stir in the Greek yogurt. And it makes our sauce so thick and luscious. It's finally that time to serve. Ladle it on up, make sure that you get a little bit of everything. And then to finish it off, I'm gonna add a sprinkle of fresh basil. Thank you so much for joining me today and making one of my favorite one-pan meals. Again, I'm Erin Clarke from wellplated.com, and I look forward to seeing you back here next time. If you don't mind me, I'm gonna head over to Thailand now.